Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool mattress that this brand sent to me for the video review. And right here in this wrapping plastic, there is a 10-inch queen mattress. Hell, memory foam, like gel memory foam, actually, queen mattress. This thing is really good. I tried one of them before, and this is the second one that I'm trying, and I have to say that these are super comfy. So let's actually unpack it so I can show you how it looks, and for sure some of the best features of this 10-inch queen gel memory foam mattress. Okay, so now we gotta let it rest for about 24 hours or so. I'm not gonna wait that much because I really want to show it to you. So I'm gonna flip it, and once that is fully unpacked and for sure in the right altitude, which is gonna be 10 inches, I'm gonna go back here and show it all the features and put it in the bed as well for sure. So let's start with the beginning, the size. This is an 80 by 60 by 10 inches tall. It's 10 inches tall because it's a low profile mattress. And also what it has is that's kind of like this double layer on top, because this is a hybrid mattress, meaning that is a mix between coil and foam, because coils and foam, not coil, sorry. And the thing about this one is, so if you're one of those that likes the super firm mattress, this may be not something for you because it's firm for sure. I'm gonna hop on it in a few seconds, but it's not extra firm. It's not one of those, either the same thing. It's not one of those that you kind of like get drowned in the actual mattress and go down. It's like super fluffy and gets down and something like that. It's not like that. It's a hybrid. It's in between and between. And that's kind of like what I really like about this mattress. So then on top of it, I can say that it's super soft. It's really soft. Like this kind of like first layer right here is super soft. As I was saying before, it's a low profile mattress. You can see that it's not like super bouncy because those are the ones with the coils, and this one having a kind of like a mix between the foam and the inner springs. And by the way, each one of these inner springs actually have like individual pockets. So that works really good for two things: temperature control and kind of like movement and displacement, or your kind of your body weight. So that works really good for those two things. And a third extra one, like a bonus, is that also works, having individual pockets also works really good with like sweat. If you're one of those like sweat at nights a lot, having individual pockets of the inner springs could be really helpful for that. And the distribution of the weight works really good. I have to say that I've been trying it for the past few days, and it feels good. Not only I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds, and I don't feel like this is either too much or kind of like too low. It's kind of like in the right size, I want to say, like kind of like the 10 inches, the low profile works really good for the weight that I am. And we tried it with my wife and it works really good too. Last but not least, the only thing that I will say, like an advice, this is a heavy mattress. It's kind of like heavy, just judging by the size being a queen mattress. This is a heavy mattress. So if you want to move it, or as soon as you get it out of the packs that I showed you before and you let it rest for like 24, like 48 hours or something like that, then you may need help to move it because it's a heavy mattress. Other than that, and otherwise, I really like this mattress. I think it's super comfy, comfortable enough for two people, queen size, 80 by 60 by 10, super soft, a mix between the inner springs, the coils, and the foam, and for sure having the individual pockets also works really good. Like it, I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.